Hi, my name is Patrick, and this video should tell you sources to prepare for NMiMS Competency Test. So you already have a mock test that has come out. So based on that, you can maybe predict from which sources are the best sources that you can prepare from. So let's look at it. So four sources. We do have courses for interview, VAT, GD. If you're interested, you can contact us. So first source is GMAT critical reasoning. I mean, if you look at most of the questions that came in the mock test were critical reasoning based, inference, cause and effect, and so on. So in that case, so you pick up critical reasoning questions which are there. GMAT Club is a good source where you have a lot of critical reasoning questions, so you can refer to that. Pick up a question, try to solve, understand the logic behind it. You can look at a type of question that will come in the mock and prepare for the inference-based questions, so focus on inference-based question. But look at other critical reasoning type of questions as well. Don't only focus on those type. So look at strengthening, weakening, cause and effect, other things as well. So there are standard books for GMAT critical reasoning. You can prepare from those books as well, or from the GMAT Club, which you can go online and pick up the source and prepare questions on critical reasoning. So these are a good first source which I would recommend to prepare. Second would be a familiar source, which is like your any MBA entrance material for critical reasoning. For NMAT, CET, SNAP, they all have some amount of critical reasoning questions. Pick up material for that and start preparing from that. The advantage is the students are familiar with these type of material already, so it will become easier to understand and solve. So you can maybe pick up some of the questions from here and also prepare for critical reasoning. Third would be a caselet puzzles from MBA CET. If you look at there were a two-question, a set of two questions in a mock test, which was caselet type. So look at caselet puzzles, the matrix type questions that have come in MBA CET exam. There are a lot of questions of that type. Also, banking exam normally has similar type of questions. Look at those questions and similar questions like arrangements, etc. for MBA CET. You can pick up those questions and practice. I mean, they're a little lengthier, it takes a longer time to solve, but pick up the easier ones and get used to it so that you can solve. Remember, in the exam as such, you have few questions, but you have 45 minutes, which is there. It'll be almost 20 questions in 45 minutes. So almost more than 2 minutes per question. Critical reasoning will take you less time, remember. So that means a lot of time will go in caselets. So expect some lengthier caselets to solve in the exam as such. And fourth would be the verbal ability questions from CAT. There was one fill in the blank question from verbal ability of CAT. So you can look at the CAT VA section, others areas also para jumbles, para summary, etc. Apart from the fill in the blanks and solve from that. That is also a good source to prepare. So focus on these four. So based on the mock test, these are the four sources where you can prepare from as far as the NM competency test goes. So go with these sources and prepare accordingly. Look, keeping the benchmark, the mock test question that came in the examination. Right? Hope this helps. Thank you. We'll come up with more videos that will help you with regards to preparation. All the best.